in a unique, especially in classics. 1959 Ford Fairlane 500. Good looking hardtop, as you can see, riding on wide whites. This does come with polished fender skirts also. Do not have them installed in the car. They would go along with the car in the trunk. A lot safer shipping them that way. I'll show you what they look like when we get around to the passenger side of the car here. But first, let's take a look at the chrome. Bright work. Looks a lot different than the front end of cars today, no doubt about that. Underneath the hood, 352 V8 paired up with an automatic transmission. Now, this car was restored approximately 15,000 miles ago. They reset the odometer when the restoration was done. Paint shows well. And if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the interior, the undersides, engine bay, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us 507-386-1726. Car is equipped with power steering. Also has had an aftermarket Pioneer stereo system added in the glove box, but they kept the rest of the dash looking very stock. Let you look up and down the passenger side. So those long panels, nice and straight. Bright work looks good. Interior has a complementary black, red, and white combination to go with the car. And again, there's that stock looking dash. Automatic shift on the column. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now, as far as those fender skirts, right there is the polished fender skirts. And there will also be a little folder of receipts and some things that were done in this car, just receipts for parts and what have you. Take a look at the rear. Chrome bright work shows well. Again, uniqueclassiccars.com is where you are going to see the pics of this car, the underside, interior, trunk. Just click on that link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. So go ahead and take a look down the driver's side. Again, look at all the bright work. And you can also see the paint does show well. So it's a San Jose built car. You'll be able to check out the data tag, see the information on that, and the still pictures also. And data tag would have the VIN and the information. You may decode, take a look at it. That'll be in the still pictures also. As you can see, the seats free of rips, tears, really any holes. Interior also showing well. Great car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Headliner also good shape. Let's go ahead and start this car up. Let you hear it run. We'll check out that engine bay. Alright. Again, 352 firing up. This radio I have not had it operate. But again, there's one in the glove box. You can see the still picture of that. It's Pioneer radio. That works fine. Wipers do work also, but they are vacuum yet. They work like you'd expect vacuum wipers to work. Blower fan, still working. Take a look at the top of the dash. Also a nice shape. Alright. That door closes beautifully. Nice smooth runner too. No crazy exhaust, no crazy cam. Nice smooth running Fairlane. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop the hood, check out that engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go. We got the hood pop, nice and tidy underneath the hood. That 352 V8. Smooth running. If you watch watched our videos before, you know, sometimes they say it's what you don't hear that matters the most. Nice and quiet. Flip around to the other side, let you check that out. And again, equipped with power steering. A little over 15,000 miles in the restoration. And show you that odometer quick too before we wrap this up. Show you exactly what it reads. It was 15,144. You can see that. And again, that was reset at the time of restoration. 1959 Ford Fairlane 500 Club Victoria. Good looking two-door hardtop. Phone number 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.